Hey guys, welcome on in. It is Tuesday, April 7th, and it's our first day back from spring break. And let me just tell you, I'm super excited about the things that we're doing over the next 7 or 8 weeks because we got some really good reading, some interesting discussions, and some really cool things we're going to be learning about. Now, I hope you got some rest and you're recharged and ready to rock because we're getting started right straight away. Now, on your coming up list, you see student responsibilities for online learning. Go ahead and click on that. And when that opens up, you're going to see this text right in the middle of the page. And it outlines our class expectations and student responsibilities for online learning, hence the title. And this was designed so that you can be successful in this course. And so I can be successful in this course. Because remember, we're on the same team and we're both trying to make sure we're doing everything possible to achieve the most we can with the time we have. So there's a list of student responsibilities. Now, I'm going to expect that you read through this and your parents read through it with you, but I'm going to point out the highlights in this video real quick just so I make sure we're all on the same page. Now, the first thing is you got to make sure that you're taking initiative and logging into Canvas daily when school is in session. Yes, we do track Canvas learning and participation, and there is a way to do that. And so it's no different than when you go into a classroom and you're participating in a physical form. This is a little different because you're participating in an electronic format, but just make sure you're getting to a computer every day and participating. That's very important. Now, number 2, check due dates often. They are posted in Canvas. They are also mentioned in the daily announcements right here, just like in this video right now. And the reminders that I send out in the afternoons are also to help you as well. Now, the next thing we're going to address is this. Very important, all in bold, capital letters, very important. Submit work on time before assignments and assessments are locked. Now, beginning April 8th, if you are missing something because you did not sign in and you did not complete your work as you should have, and that's the agreement between us in this contract, then I reserve the right to say no, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to say no, you cannot resubmit because you did not log in on time. You got to take care of responsibility. So keep in mind that if you have a personal illness or you have a family emergency or a major technology issue, those would be the only exceptions, and let's limit those as much as possible. Okay, now number 5, follow set guidelines and always do your personal best. Now think of this class like a brain gym. We want to stretch your reading and your writing skills every day you're in class so you're better prepared for next year. That's what this class is all about. So that's your challenge. Do your personal best every day. Bring your A game. Now, what I need you to do is you are going to read the rest of this document, have your parent read it, or you can read it with them. And then I need you to put your first and last name, just type it right here where it says student name. Your parent will do the same. And this is the equivalent of a signature acknowledging that you have read this whole entire disclosure and you guys know what's expected going the rest of the way. Okay, so that's the expectation with that. When you're done, you're going to click this blue submit button, and then the assignment is submitted and it's off of your checklist of to-do items. Okay, now you do have ReadWorks today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into the course and click on ReadWorks instructions for Tuesday, April 7th, 2020. Now, when you log in, it looks just like it always does. You need to get your class code and then click on the link. Once this pops up, this screen right here, you can go ahead and punch in your class code. Click continue. It should show you language arts, whichever hour you're in. You're going to click to go forward, and then there is the run series number 4. Now that is due by the end of today, so make sure that gets done, and then you're golden after that. So those 2 things. So to recap, you're going to do ReadWorks, the run series number 4, and then you're going to go back when you're ready if you haven't already done it. You're going to click on Student Responsibilities for Online Learning. Go ahead and go down, type your name, have your parents type their name, those are your signatures, right? And then click the blue Submit button in Canvas, and you're done. Okay, thanks for tuning in, and good luck today. I will see you back tomorrow here on Canvas.